Hello everyone, welcome to all who are watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the most important differentiation 2 marks problems with solutions. Okay, these are the very important 2 marks sums for the IPE exams. Okay, let us start the class. Here some functions are given. We have to find the derivatives to all these functions. Okay, so the first question, e power x plus sin x into cos x. So this is the given function. We have to find the derivative. So first I take that this value is equal to y. Y is equal to e power x plus sin x into cos x. Now find the derivative, that is dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to d by dx of the given function. Applying the d by dx on both sides, find the derivative. D by dx of e power x plus sin x into cos x. Now this is equals to d by dx of e power x. What is e power x derivative? E power x. And d by dx of sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x means this is the product of the 2x function. So we are applying the UV rule to this function to find the derivative. Okay. What is UV rule formula? U into v dash plus v into u dash. UV rule formula is u into v dash plus v into u dash. What are u comma v? U is equal to sin x and v is equal to cos x. So u into v dash, sin x into cos x whole dash plus v into u dash, cos x into sin x whole dash. Now replacing the derivatives values here, e power x plus sin x into cos x derivative is equal to minus sin x, cos x whole dash, d by dx of cos x minus sin x, plus cos x into sin x derivative cos x. So the answer is equal to e power x minus sin square x plus cos square x. That's all. This is the answer. Second question, ax plus b by cx plus d. So first I take that this is equal to y. Y is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d. Now this is in the form u by v. Now what is u by v whole dash formula? We want the derivative value, that is y dash means dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of the given quotient, that is ax plus b by cx plus d. Now how to take the derivative? This is u by v form. In the numerator and denominator, in both of them we have the x functions, that is u by v rule. What is the formula? V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So this is the formula. Now replacing the values in this formula. What are u comma v? Ax plus b is equal to u, cx plus d is equal to v. V into u dash, cx plus d into u dash, ax plus b whole dash minus u into v dash, ax plus b into cx plus d whole dash by v square. V is equal to cx plus d, that is cx plus d whole square, and this is equals to cx plus d into ax derivative a and b derivative 0 minus ax plus b into cx derivative c and d derivative 0 by cx plus d whole square. Now multiplying the values here. So first value acx plus ad, next values minus acx minus bc. Now here by cx plus d whole square. Now here acx and acx gets cancelled, so the answer is equal to ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Okay, just applying the formula to get the answer. Next question, sum number 3, 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. So first I take that this is equal to y, that is y is equal to 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of the given function, that is d by dx of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have to take the derivative to this function. So what is this form? First, d by dx of 1 by x. This is in the form of d by dx of 1 by x. What is 1 by x derivative? Minus 1 by x square. That is minus 1 by x square. Ax square plus bx plus c whole square. 1 by x, where x is equal to this total value. D by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. Again the derivative of this, yes. What is x here? Ax square plus bx plus c. That is ax square plus bx plus c whole dash. Okay. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Again the derivative of x. What is x here? Ax square plus bx plus c. That is minus 1 by ax square plus bx plus c whole square into ax square plus bx plus c derivative a into 2x, that is 2ax, b into 1, that is b, plus c derivative 0. So the answer is equals to minus of 2ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c whole square. That's all. Very easy question. Just this is in the form of 1 by x. Just applying the formula of the 1 by x to find the answer. That's all. Next problem, log of secant x plus tan x. So first I take that this is equal to y, that is y is equal to log of secant x plus tan x. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this function, that is d by dx of log of secant x plus tan x. Now we have to take the derivative to this total function. Okay, what is this form? Log x. This total value is equal to x, log x. What is d by dx of log x? 1 by x, that is 1 by secant x plus tan x. Log x 1 by x. What is x value? Secant x plus tan x. Again we take the derivative of that x function, that is secant x plus tan x whole dash. Okay, log x 1 by x. What is x here? Secant x plus tan x, that is secant x plus tan x whole dash. Now taking the derivative 1 by secant x plus tan x into secant x whole dash, secant x derivative secant x tan x plus tan x whole dash, tan x derivative secant square x. Now this is equals to, now taking secant x common from the numerator, that is secant x into tan x plus secant x by secant x plus tan x. Now here the term secant x plus tan x is cancelled, so the answer is equal to only secant x. That's all. Okay, log x form, log x derivative 1 by x. Again x derivative. What is x? Secant x plus tan x. And taking secant x common, then we get the required answer. Next question, sine inverse of root x. So first I take that this is equals to y, sine inverse of root x is equal to y, that is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine inverse of root x. Now doing the derivative to this function. So see here, this is in the form of the sine inverse x. What is d by dx of sine inverse x formula? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. But what is x here? X is equal to root x. That is 1 by square root of 1 minus root x whole square. Sine inverse x. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. But what is x? Root x. Okay. Again the derivative of the root x, that is root x whole dash, is equals to 1 by square root of x into, here square and root gets cancelled. What is root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x. So the answer is equal to 1 by 2 root x into root 1 minus x. That's all. This is the answer. Next question, log of sine of log x. So first I take that this is equals to y. Y is equal to log of sine of log x, and in the derivative on both sides, that is dy by dx is equals to d by dx of log of sine of log x. Now doing the derivative to this function. So what is this form? So first I take that this total value is equal to x. Okay, this total value is equal to x, then this is in the form of log x, d by dx of log x. This total value is equal to x. What is log x derivative? 1 by x, that is 1 by sine of log x, d by dx of log x, 1 by x. But what is x here? Sine of log x. So again taking the derivative of the sine of log x, that is sine of log x whole dash, and this is equals to 1 by sine of log x into sine of log x whole dash, that is sine of log x derivative, sine x. What is sine x derivative? Cos x. What is x value? Log x. Okay, sine x derivative cos x, sine of log x derivative cos of log x. But what is x here? X is equal to log x. So again we take the derivative of that function, that is log x whole dash. Now this is equals to cos of log x by sine of log x into log x whole dash, log x derivative 1 by x. That's all. This is the answer. Next question, sum number 7, x is equal to sine h square y. So here I have two methods here to solve this question. The first method is first directly doing the derivative to the given question, that is d by dx of x is equals to d by dx of sine h square y. Okay, the first method, directly doing the derivative. dy dx of x is equal to dy dx of sin h square y. What is dy dx of x? X derivative is equal to 1. Okay, sin h square y. Sin h square y means this is in the form of x square. X square derivative 2x. What is x here? Sin hy. 2x, that is 2 into sin hy. Again the derivative of the x. What is x here? X is equal to sin hy. Okay, this is in the form of x square. dy dx of x square is equal to 2x. Again the derivative of the x, that is sin hy derivative. 1 is equal to 2 sin hy into d by dx of sin hy. Sin hy derivative cos hy. Cos hy. What is x here? Y. That is, again we taking the derivative of the that way, d by dx of y. Therefore 1 is equal to 2 sin hy into cos hy into dy by dx. What we want? We want the value of the dy by dx. Therefore the value of the dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 sin hy into cos hy. That's all. This is the answer, and this is the first method, and this is the first method. Now coming to the second method. In the second method, first of all we have to form the y value and then doing the derivative. So first writing the given equation here, x is equal to sin h square y. Then what is sin hy value? That is equal to root x. Okay, sin h square y is equal to x, then sin hy is equal to root x. Then what is y value? Sin h inverse of root x. Writing the sin h function to this side. Then we get y is equal to sin h inverse root x. Okay, now we are taking the derivative to this equation. So either directly we can take the derivative to the given equation, or converting the given equation as in the form of y is equal to x function and then doing the derivative. Okay, we can do the problem in any of the two methods. So that is applying the dy by dx, that is applying dy by dx, that is dy by dx is equals to d by dx of sin h inverse of root x. Okay, finding the derivative, that is, now this is in the form of d by dx of sin h inverse x. What is sin h inverse x derivative? 1 by square root of 1 plus x square, that is 1 by square root of 1 plus root x whole square. But what is x here? X is equal to root x. Sin h inverse root x. Sin h inverse x form 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Again x is equal to root x. Again the root x derivative is equals to 1 by square root of 1 plus x into d by dx of root x. Root x derivative is equal to 1 by 2 root x. So the answer is equal to 1 by 2 root x into root 1 plus x. That's all. We can use any of the two methods to solve this question. Okay. Next question, sum number 8, 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So first I take that this is equal to y here. Y is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. The actual procedure is here we have to apply the u by v rule. But here there is no need to apply the u by v rule. First of all, we can take the simplification to the given question first. That is, now I replace that 1 minus cos 2x is equal to one formula, that is 2 sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Okay, just I replace the values. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x and 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Now the question becomes y is equal to sin square by cos square, that is tan square x. Now we are taking the derivative to this function directly. That is there is no necessity to apply the u by v rule, since the question is simplified here by taking one simple formula. So first we have to take the simplification, then it is easy to solve the question. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan square x. Okay, derivative d by dx of tan square x, taking the derivative. So this is x square form. What is x square derivative? 2x. X square derivative 2x. Again what is x here? X is equal to tan x, that is d by dx of tan x. So the answer is equal to 2 tan x into again tan x derivative secant square x. That's all. This is the answer.